Hello everybody, my name is Greg Lensmeyer. Thank you for booking one of our new RV rentals. Today we're going to do a complete walkthrough to show you everything you need to know for your stay. Come on inside. All of our RV rentals come equipped with power awnings with LED lighting. To extend your awning, simply push and hold the extend button until the awning is fully extended. To retract your awning, simply push and hold the retract button until the awning is all the way against the camper. The awning motor will stop when the awning is retracted. The most important thing to remember is when leaving your RV, fully retract the awning against the camper to prevent damage in the event of bad weather or high winds. Your rental RV comes equipped with a 3-burner gas stovetop as well as a gas oven. To use the gas stove, fold back the glass cover, turn the individual burner to light, and turn the igniter. Then you can adjust to your proper temperature, and when you're done, just simply turn that back to off. In order to use your gas oven, when you arrive, your pilot light is already lit, and the setting on the dial is to pilot. To use the oven, set it to your desired temperature, and when you're finished, just turn the dial back to pilot. Your RV rental comes equipped with a full bathroom for your convenience during your stay. However, it does operate a little differently than your bathroom at home. Your RV toilet has a manual flush feature. We do have a vent fan at the top, which has a manual awning opening, as well as your hot water tank for your RV has about 6 gallons of hot water. So you need to take that into consideration when taking showers and washing dishes. When you use the toilet, push the foot valve halfway down to fill the bowl with water. When you're done using the toilet, push the foot valve all the way to the floor and allow the bowl to rinse completely. Now I'm going to show you how to turn your dining area into a full-size bed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. We're looking forward to your stay in an RV rental.